Grady. Grady. Grady, look here. Hey, Grady. Grady. Darcy. Say hi. What's going on? No, it's too wet.
You do on your head, Daddy.
Under what?
On your head. That guy.
The umbrella?
Yeah.
How did you open that umbrella?
Want me to do it all by myself?
You did do it all by yourself. Can you close it all by yourself?
No.
Show me how.
I don't want to.
I want to see it.
I don't want to.
Just real quick. Close it and then open it.
I don't want to.
I'll bet you can do it.
I don't want to.
Why not? Why don't you want to?
I want to do it when we go inside.
Well, you can't take an umbrella inside.
Why?
It's bad luck
Why the bad luck?
because it gets everything wet.
You might take it off.
You're shaking it off on me.
What happened, Daddy?
Can you close it? Shrink it down. Oh, whoa! What did you just do?
I'll tell you.
How did you do that?
Want me to do it all by myself?
You did do it all by yourself.
Open it, please.
Can you open it all by yourself? Yes, you can.
I don't want to.
You closed it all by yourself. How did I teach you how to do it? Can you pay attention?
No.
Look at it and push. 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 Look, you almost got it. No, move your hand. Put it on the black part and push it. Push. Push. You're not trying. No, you're not trying in the right spot.
I don't want to do it.
Can you try again?
No.
Look, right here. Push right there. Push. Push. You're not pushing. I can tell. Push again. Push. No, push up. Push out. Look, there. You're pushing now. See? There you go.
Thank you.
Who did that?
Me.
Why? How did you do that?
You help me, Daddy.
No, I didn't help you.
Why?
How did you do that?
You hold down and I hold up head.
No, I made you try all on your own and
Yeah.
you did it all by yourself.
Yeah.
Can you do it by yourself again?
No, I don't want to.
Why don't you want to?
I want to sit like this.
Grady. Darcy. Who opened that umbrella?
Me.
How did you do it?
I'm going to do it all by myself.
Do you like doing things all by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You want some of your help at me, Daddy?
I'm dry right here.
I want you some of your help at me.
I'm all good.